Hey there, I'm Yussi and welcome to my home, where the hustle and bustle of shopping, cooking and cleaning all week is our way of preparing the Kruvit Shabbos Kodesh. So, when that special moment arrives, we sit back, take a deep breath, and say out loud, Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos. Here we are with my wife Raizy. Thank you so much for joining me. She didn't want to do this, but today's recipe is eggplant. And for those that follow my show know, I don't eat any eggplant, so Raizy will be our official taster. This is rolled eggplant with ground beef, like Israeli style, like really, really different and yum. If you want to be different Simchas Torah, and instead of rolling stuffed cabbage, you want to roll eggplant, just say Yussi Weiss taught you how to do this. That's it. What do we do now?
I guess we eat.
Okay, so now we eat. Okay, let's get a spoon. Get a spoon.
You have nice dishes.
Yeah, Raizy, come on, give such a good taste. We stole our Shabbos dishes.
Complimenting myself.
Like some extra beef and a little extra sauce. Okay. Now,
Let's see.
you might want a knife. Nice and
so
soft.
Delicious.
Delicious!
Very, very, very tasty.
Yummy?
Yeah, you're good.
How many points did I score? Okay.
After a glass of wine, then I'll rate you.
Okay.
This goes good with red wine.
We got a nice, beautiful Merlot from Baron Herzog.
Laracha.
Stand by, let me show you how I prepare this. And a special, huge thank you to my wife Raizy for coming on the show. And I have something special for her.
Aww.
Oh, thank you, Raizy.
So cute.
So we're all prepared over here. Here's my ground beef. I got my vegetables. That's gonna go on the food processor, my spices, eggplant, slice, chick-chock, 1, 2, 3. Easy, just roll. I'm gonna start with my vegetables right in the food processor. Ground beef. I like to drain it a little bit. This whole mixture right into your ground beef. I got some brown sugar, some cumin, and coriander, a little sumac, trying to get that Mediterranean Israeli style spices, a little black pepper, and some smoked paprika. Give it a good mix. Look at that. Beauty. Gorgeous. I love the color. So this, we're going to put aside. Next is slicing the eggplant. Eggplant's here. This mandolin is a great tool. You can do this with a knife, but it's not going to be perfect. When you use a mandolin, every slice is going to be perfect. You want to start with 10 fingers and finish with 10 fingers. I'm done with this. My ground beef is ready right here. Eggplant slice is ready right here. Let's get the dish I'm gonna cook it in. Go right here. Kacha. One slice. Look how simple. Little handful, a roll, and a toothpick. I wanted to taste this when I prepared it this morning. I made like a little burger patty out of it. It was so good. I tasted a little bit like the shuk. You know what that shuk tastes? Not the garbage. Now with all the extra beef that you have over here, I'm gonna put it into the corners, caja. And you're good after you put the tomato sauce in. I'm gonna clean up very quickly here, and I'll show you how I finish. So here's my eggplant all rolled up. Like I showed you, we just cleaned up, made it a little nice. Everybody gets to see how easy it's to make and how easy it's to have a clean kitchen. Where in the past, every time I made a tomato sauce for stuffed cabbage or whatever, I would always have to add flavor or taste. I found this Tuscanini classic marinara sauce. Nada. Garnish. 1, 2, 3. Nice. All I'm gonna do is, because I don't want to waste all of that, probably half of water. The marinara sauce is great, and you have a lot of flavor in your beef. That's all you have to do. Oh, there's also one more thing you have to do that I forgot. Let's take your toothpicks out. Cover it with foil, preheat your oven to 300. That's it, you're done. So if you want to freeze this, now's the time when you want to freeze this. Right in. And you can go to sleep. Until next episode, my name is Yussi, and I'm in my house. I should get one of those halva guys down here, no? Teach me how to make halva? Actually, they should teach me how to sell it, and I don't know how to make it.
Uri Hashem, se Shabbos.